How to find all accounts linked to my email address. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find all accounts and apps linked to your Google account. It's super useful and super easy. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, head over to myaccount.google.com and here log in if you haven't already. And once you are logged in, on the left hand side, simply click on security. And after that, simply scroll down until you see your connection to third-party apps and services. And once you have located it, simply click on see all connection, and after that it will show you the list of all the apps and accounts. And that's it. That's how you can find all accounts linked to your email address. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.